tight, boy.
A little bit. I like it tight.
Don't we all?
No, I think it.
I didn't bring any oil with me, but I know you have some.
I ain't got none.
Look, you sound like you got the vid, man. Stay away from me.
I probably do.
Oh, Jesus. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry that it's been forever. The car has had so many issues with it lately, and I finally got the money to do something about it. So, that's why we're down here at Luis's. We have to replace the oil pan gasket, and to do that we have to...
Me or I?
I'm gonna supervise. But we're gonna have to drop the, the exhaust headers too. So we have, I guess, new exhaust gaskets for that. Just because since we're pulling it off, we're gonna have to put them back on, but. Dang, Marco, don't come in here demanding.
Yeah, cold outside.
I know it's cold. Very cold in PA. It's supposed to start snowing tonight too, at 10. But Luis said he thinks we're gonna have this done in 30 minutes. So we're gonna start the timer here. It would take me 6 hours, but guys, like I said, he's got a time limit on this thing. Sorry this heater is so loud, so I'm gonna yell a little bit, but Luis already has that off, and we're gonna jump into all the time lapses and stuff right after this, but car's going up now. Do we have to unbolt anything on the bottom other than the oil pan?
Drop the header yet. I'm hoping I have enough room to pull it out now.
Yeah, well, I hope everybody could hear what you just said, because I sure as hell didn't. You got tools falling? Yeah, see, look at all the oil I'm already leaking. Probably ain't much in it. Alright, like that.
On the oil floater.
What, all that oil?
See what's on it? It's like black, just on the one side.
Yeah, because it's all spraying up. Yeah, that gasket was shot. Well, is this a 10 mil over here? Because I'm about to start going to town on it.
Yeah.
Give me that 10 mil, boy. Alright guys, enjoy this super long time lapse. question is, did we get this done in 30 minutes? I'm gonna say it was about 35 so far, and we're almost getting ready to put everything back together. So big thank you to Luis. Hopefully he doesn't have the Rona. I hope to God not. Look how enthused he is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I've been slacking super hard lately, but since we were doing this, I wanted to get it out here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, even though it was a boring one. But slowly coming together here. Might be selling it, might not be. You guys will just have to stay tuned. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.